Well, how you doing, guys? Congratulations on finalizing the course, taking the entire course, and hopefully you learn these 12 foundations. So I've pretty much set up everything for you guys, and or basically, yeah, you just had to just start taking the classes and watch the videos and things like that. As you can see, there was no test. There was no test. Basically, at the beginning when you guys started, the test was basically a simple two-part quiz, which is basically to check how your financial IQ is, the 5 questions, the How Money Works challenge. And then the second, you know, was to take the survey, the 30 questions of the survey, which was basically the quiz. So in the beginning of the course, like I said, those are the two things that you start with. And I'm pretty sure in the beginning you're gonna have difficulties if you don't know about how money works or financial literacy. So you are gonna get some questions wrong. So that's fine because after you finish taking the entire course, which you already did, if you're watching this video, I congratulate you on taking the course, and hopefully you have learned at least 2 or 3 things from these 12 foundations, especially the main ones, which is learning about credit. Credit is very important. Also, learning about how money works, and also learning about establishing your own business because everything intertwines, and also how the economy works, especially now, how the economy is so bad, how inflation works, why there's inflation, about the 3 E's and things like that, which is the economy, energy, and the environment. It all intertwines. If one drops, they all drop. You know, about real estate. You know, all these courses are within the 12 foundations. And if you didn't skip not even a video, I'm pretty much sure that you learned something. This course is so simple that you can literally learn how to repair, fix, and rebuild your credit yourself. You don't need my help because basically the course is teaching you. That's if you have time to do it. But now, if you don't have time, I can do it for you for a fee. Well, anyway, forget about the fee. I want to congratulate every single person that took this course. You know, you are thinking out of the box. As you can see, there's a circle in my screen, not a box. The only box I'm talking to you is the one in the laptop, all right? And the one that's surrounding my room where I'm at, in my house, basically in the kitchen. Well, anyway, congratulations. And what I want you to do, guys, is take the challenge again, the How Money Works challenge again. And I guarantee you, since you took the course and you was paying attention to every single detail on this course, we're sorry that it was so long, but it was longer when I took it. All right, so it's much more to learn. This is just a tip of the iceberg. There's much more to learn. There's more things that are coming up. Well, if you have this course already, towards the future, if something comes up, a new video or me speaking or a class that I took, that I learned, and that I'm putting online and I'm recording it, it will be in this same course. I'll update it all the time. Every time I put a video out or a class, I put it. And then I learn something new, I put it into this course. So eventually it will change by itself in a second. As soon as I put the video, you guys will see it. So if you're on the other side, on your cell phone, on your computer, and you're taking the course in either one, you're gonna see it change. You're gonna see the video, you know, there. You're gonna see the course there and everything else. Well, again, congratulations. Now, what I want you to do again, take the challenge, and I guarantee you that you might pass it. Instead of getting one wrong, or two wrong, you probably might get three right and two wrong. And that means you learned something, Because before, if you got one wrong and four wrong, now you didn't know nothing. But now if you got three right and two wrong, now you're learning something. You learn something from the course. And then you just continue to take it again up to you get five. Okay? The first time I did it, I had two wrong. Now when I took the course, the second time I did it, I had five right. Same thing with the survey. On the survey, it's 30 questions. The first time you do it, you're gonna have like a negative vibe on the first survey that you took. Now, since you finished taking the course and you start doing the steps that are in the course, repairing your credit, getting out of debt, and all that things, using the softwares and things like that, you're gonna have a more better mindset on how you think about your money and how you think about your credit and how you think about your debts. And you're gonna learn how to monitor it the right way. Okay? And also, you're gonna learn how to establish your own business online with all the resources that you have on the course that you took. So if you took the course, you have a lot of resources. You just have to take action, okay? Because action speaks louder than words. And you don't need $1,000 to create a business. You actually could do it in zero. When I started in zero. I didn't get no loan for my business and nothing. I did it from scratch, little by little. Baby steps. Baby steps create big steps towards the future. You know, but if you do those baby steps the right way, it could accelerate even faster. Right. So again, congratulations. And again, when you finish taking the survey the second time, your questions are going to be answered differently. You might have more yeses, you know, than before. So if you have more yeses than before, that means your finances have improved. Your credit cards are paid on time, and so on and so on and so on. I don't want to get deeper into that, but you know what I mean when you take the course, as you're taking the course. Uh, there's also businesses that you could join for free. You can be an affiliated and work with those businesses and make money. Uh, Another thing, you could, you know, and basically those businesses are free. You can make like 20% commission on everything that you sell, 30% commission, 45% commission, even 100% commission. It depends what business you want to share. What's your niche? You know, if you want to open up a t-shirt company, I suggest you start with an affiliated company that has the t-shirts already, like a wholesale company. Affiliate with them, and then you have the permission to sell their product, and they pay you instead of you having a whole bunch of stuff in your house, catching dust. No, it's a new world out there, guys. You guys could do it. And those that took this course, pretty much know how to do it already. If you follow the steps, follow the videos, watch all the videos, watch the motivating videos, do your health fitness, get healthy, eat correctly. Everything is inside this course. If I missed something, please let me know. But I think I didn't miss nothing. It took me a while. It took me like 6 to 7 months to, you know, organize this course to the best of my knowledge. And it was more. I just shorten it out as much as I can. All right. So now what I want you to do is, take those two quizzes again. So basically, you take it the first time when you start, and then the second time. The second time, it will be different from the first time. Okay. And I will know if it's gonna be different. You is gonna know it's different too. And then what I want you to do is share it with your family. Share this course with your families and friends because you have the potential to make $100 to over $1,000 either a day, either a week, either every 2 weeks, or either a month. It depends how focused are you in establishing the business and sharing the course with others because you can make money out of this course because it has different organizations that you can join yourself. Some of them are free and some of you have to pay, but they're affordable and they're also educational. Okay, so all those organizations that you've seen in the course, you can join them, mostly all of them, for free. Probably two or three not for free, but mostly like five or six for free, and you can start making money out of them and finding your niche. You know what I mean? So again, congratulations. Please share it with your friends, family, co-workers, everybody that you know, because you have the potential to establish your own business and get paid not only online but also offline, in your community. So please share it. Congratulations for everyone that took this course. And soon it's gonna be updated. Every month I update it with a new videos from my podcast, and you're gonna see my group. You know, when you take the course, there's a QR code. You could, you know, download my group right through your cell phone. Sign up to register to my private group. It's 100% free for now. My goal is to get over 100 people. After 100 people, automatically it's going to update to a fee. So take advantage of this course. Take advantage of my group. Take advantage of my streaming, uh, learn by doing uh, platform. That is real cool too. Take advantage of these things because they are free right now, but in the future, it won't be. All right. So please share this with your friends and family. And this is Carlos Anaya. Congratulations again for taking the course. If you have any questions, you can contact me, leave me notes right through inside this course on the section where it says speak for notes. And I'll get that information. Make sure that you put your name and your email and the message. How was the course? Or if you have any questions, and please share it with your friends and family and coworkers. This is Carlos Anaya signing out. You have a great day.